Did you know that a few simple kitchen ingredients can turn into a gentle natural boost for your Anthurium? In today's video, I'll show you an easy, budget-friendly way to help your Anthurium grow greener leaves, stronger roots, and beautiful blooms all year long without using harsh chemicals. It's simple, natural, and perfect for anyone who loves caring for plants at home. Now, let's get started. To care for my Anthurium today, I will use potato peels to make a natural fertilizer for the red Anthurium plant. First, I choose a thoroughly washed potato. Then peel it and cut the peels into small pieces so the natural nutrients in the peels can easily release into the water. Potato peels contain starch, potassium, and natural minerals that can gently add nutrients, support stronger roots, and help Anthurium grow greener and healthier. After cutting them into small pieces, I place all the potato peels into a clean jar to prepare for soaking and extracting the natural nutrients. Next, I pour 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar, which is about 4 cups, to help the natural nutrients from the potato peels release more quickly. Now, I will add 1 spoon of coffee powder to the potato peel solution. Then stir it well so the coffee blends evenly with the soaking water. Coffee contains small amounts of natural nutrients such as potassium, nitrogen, and magnesium, which can support greener and healthier Anthurium growth when used properly. Finally, I let the solution soak for about 1 hour, allowing the nutrients from the potato peels and coffee to release more fully into the water. After soaking the potato peels and coffee powder for about 1 hour, I strain out the solids and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. This straining step makes the solution cleaner, easier to use, and helps reduce residue that may block roots or cause mold. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to PlantCareGarden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's truly wonderful that we can share our love for plant care together from all around the world. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the potato peel and coffee solution. This makes the solution gentler, easier for the plant to absorb, and less likely to shock the plant when watering the roots or spraying the leaves. With this diluted mixture, we now have a simple natural nutrient solution that is suitable for caring for Anthurium. Step 1. I dip a clean cotton pad into the diluted potato peel and coffee solution. Then gently wipe the entire Anthurium leaf surface, from the top side to the underside of the leaves. This is not only a leaf cleaning step, but it also helps remove dust, bacteria, and small insects from the leaves, allowing them to breathe better and absorb light more effectively. Potato peels contain starch, potassium, and natural minerals, while coffee provides small amounts of nitrogen, magnesium, and antioxidants, helping the leaves look greener, glossier, and healthier when used properly. When you regularly wipe the leaves with this natural solution, your Anthurium will look cleaner, brighter, and more beautiful in your living space. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in many other languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language in the video settings and watch this content in the language that works best for you. Step 2. After wiping the leaves, I pour the potato, teal and coffee powder solution into a spray bottle. Then lightly mist the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, and exposed roots. Spraying the solution evenly helps the plant gently absorb nutrients through the leaf surface, while also removing dust and making the plant look fresher. Potato peels contain starch, potassium, and natural minerals, while coffee provides small amounts of nitrogen, magnesium, and antioxidants, helping support greener leaves, better new growth, and a healthier plant. When spraying, apply only a light mist and avoid soaking the leaves too much to help prevent mold or water from sitting on the plant. With this care method, your Anthurium is not only nourished from within but also keeps a cleaner, fresher, and more vibrant appearance. Step 3. After misting the leaves, I will pour the diluted potato peel and coffee solution directly over the entire growing medium of the red Anthurium. This solution helps add natural nutrients to the root area, as potato peels contain starch, potassium, and gentle minerals, while coffee provides small amounts of nitrogen, magnesium, and antioxidants. When used properly, this mixture can support better water absorption through the roots, help the growing medium stay more balanced, and create better conditions for healthy plant growth. Then, I let the red Anthurium soak in the solution for about 10 minutes, giving the root area time to gently absorb the nutrients. After soaking the plant in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift it out and let the excess water drain before moving to the next step. Step 4. I use a soft, clean, absorbent cloth to gently wipe away any remaining water from the leaf surface. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from sitting in the leaf joints, reducing the risk of mold, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid conditions. This step also helps the leaves stay cleaner, drier, and better able to photosynthesize, while preventing stains or white spots after the water evaporates. After wiping, I place the plant in a spot with bright indirect light and gentle airflow so it can dry naturally and continue recovering. With just potato peels and coffee powder, you can create a simple, natural, and budget-friendly way to care for Anthurium at home. With a little time and proper care, your Anthurium can grow glossier, healthier, and bloom more beautifully. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural plant care tips. See you in the next video.